Hello, welcome. In today's video we are learning how to play She Loves You. This is a pretty easy song, but we are throwing in B minor. If you haven't watched the bar chords lesson, please watch that and then come back here because you need to know how to do B minor in order to achieve this song. But wait, don't leave. If you haven't done B minor, guess what? You're not gonna learn it if you keep avoiding songs that have it. So use this as your song that will help you master B minor if you haven't mastered it yet. So watch the lesson and stick to this one. I promise you, if you stick to the lesson, it will come out eventually. There's a printable link down below if you would like to get that. Let's move the long sleeves out of the way just to make sure that we strum clearly. Move any hair or jewelry out of the way so that nothing rings. And let's do it. First verse goes like this. Let me play it first. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm doing the island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And the chords there were E minor, A7, C, and G. Practice that real quick and come back when you're ready to keep going. If using the strumming pattern is too difficult for you right now, then just do down strums. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. That works too, or down more down strum. She loves you, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you. She loves you, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm gonna keep going real quick to show you the verse. Okay, so we have some tricky chords there. I'm gonna break them down real quick. We go from G to E minor 7, look up real quick. I'm just lifting the ring finger for E minor 7. So we had G, and then no ring finger. And the thing that changes is this note. Listen for it. That's the only difference between a G and an E minor 7. So that part goes like this. You think you lost your love. And we have B minor to D. You have two options on how to do this. Let me show you one first. We have B minor. Well, I saw her yesterday. And you can just switch to the pinky over here for D. If that works for your hand, use that. So it'll be like this. You think you lost your love. Well, I saw. Look up. Yesterday. Now for people who like the different D shape, let me do that. Think you lost your love. By the way, if your B sounds something like this, that means you're not squeezing tight enough. How do I get this in the camera? Hold on a second. Let me scoot over. That means you're not squeezing tight enough with your thumb. So the bar chord is partially your hand on front and partially the thumb squeezing to make that work. So let's do the verse. 1, 2, a little slow. 1, 2, ready, go. I saw her yesterday, and she's thinking of, and she told me what to say. She said she loves you, and you know that can't be her. La la la, he loves you, and you should be glad. So I kept going there just to demonstrate the next part. We have G, 2, 3, 4, and E minor, and then C minor. I'm just barring here, but you can use 3 fingers if you like that. I've seen some people do this too, and it works for them. For me, that feels way too cramped. Like I'm taking a gamble there to hope that it lands in the right place. But basically what you want is all these 3 strings on the 3rd fret being held down. So let's do that part from G. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Practice that verse section. Pause the video here. Come back when you're ready for the next part. Okay, so let's do all of the verse starting from G to E minor 7, okay? We'll do it a little slow. You can do down strums or the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. You lost your love, well, I saw her yesterday. This really embarrassing video that I recorded back in college. If I gather up the courage, I will link it right here for you guys to watch. It's a cover I did of this song with one of my friends. Okay, so let's skip to the ending because everything else repeats in this song, and the ending has a few interesting things going on. Here we go. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. With a love like that, you know you should be glad. With a love like that, you know you should be glad. With a love like that, you know you should be glad. Leave it to the Beatles to end on this, but they did. Okay, so let's try that part together. Let's take it from Love Like That. I am on C minor and I'm doing Love Like That. And the way that I'm getting that kind of bump, bump, bump sound, because listen, it's not this. That one works, but if you want to take your playing to another little baby level, then you're going to play and let go on this hand. That kind of stops the strings from vibrating. So it's like a squeeze, let go, squeeze, let go, squeeze, let go. I can't even speak. Okay? Love like that. And then, you know you should be glad. And on glad is when I'm coming back to this strumming pattern. So it goes like this. Love like that. You know you should be glad. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Love like that. But if you can't do this, don't stress about it. Just do. That's fine too. And then, you know you should be glad. The ending. Ending on that G6, which is the same as what we've played before. So now you're learning that chords can look the same and have different names. So let's do a play along of the end just because it's so cool. Alright, let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. To love like that, you know you should be glad. Get ready. To love like that, you know you you should be glad. With a love like that, you know you should build the suspense. Be glad. Let's do that ending part again because I killed it. I am so sorry. You know you should be glad. I am so sorry I had killed that one. Alrighty, have fun with this song. Work on that B minor, work on that D, but please don't let this intimidate you or shy you away from this. Make this your workout. Like, decide, I will conquer you song, and say it. Like, I will be able to play this song. I will play this song by this day. Like, you need to say it to yourself as you're doing it, because nobody else is gonna pump you up. I'm gonna try and pump you up, but you need to pump yourself up too. Alrighty. See you in the next one. Love you. Sayonara.